Welcome to the Krish kitchen. Today we are going to make chocolate layered trifle using just 3 ingredients. To start with, we need 300 milliliters of fresh whipped cream. We need some dark chocolate and we need some biscuits. I'm using digestive McVitie's, but you can substitute this for any biscuits that you may have. Now these aren't essential, but if you do have them and you want to make it a little bit extra tasty and want to add a bit of nuts, providing you're not allergic to nuts, you can add some almond flakes, or maybe you can add some hazelnut, but that's just optional. You don't need to add these. The first step is to turn the biscuits into fine crumbs. I have used 3 biscuits. But depending on the type of biscuit and the size of the biscuit, you'll need to determine how many biscuits to use. Now we're going to break this chocolate into smaller pieces by using a knife. You don't need to be too accurate with this because we're going to melt the chocolate, and this is just to help melt the chocolate. So we're just cutting it into smaller pieces. Now I'm going to transfer the broken up chocolate into a bowl. And we're going to melt this chocolate. You can either melt it by steaming or you can use the microwave to do this. We're going to now melt the chocolate by steaming the chocolate. We're now just going to place a little bit of the whipped cream into the chocolate. And then mix. Now that the chocolate is fully melted, we're going to set it aside and let it cool down. We're going to now work on the cream. We're now going to pour the rest of the whipping cream into a bowl, ready to mix. Whisk the cream until it forms a soft peak. We're going to now transfer half the whipped cream into the chocolate. We need to mix it really well. We're going to now transfer the biscuit into the cups as to form the base of our trifle. Now I'm going to add chocolate. The melted chocolate is going to go in next. Okay, now we're going to add the cream, the next layer. I'm going to add another layer of biscuit now. Now we're going to go back and add another layer of chocolate. sprinkle a little bit of that biscuit just on top, just to add a bit of decoration. And that is the completed trifle. Please put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes or so in order for it to cool down, and then it's ready to be served. If you would like to see more videos, please do not forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Bye!